some pellets, and, well, what's up, Tip Lady Catch and Release? So today we're just out here shooting some pellets, and, well, here, let's check this one out. Permission to fire?
Granted.
What happened? I hit it.
Did you miss it?
Let's try this again, y'all. There we go!
Spitting water out right now.
Oh yeah, dog. Here, let's shoot another one. Here we go, guys. Shot 3. Let's put another hole in it. Oh yeah! Let's take a look. Oh man, the pellets are still in it. Wow. Here, let's look at what they look like. Okay, so the top's a little bit more flattened out, but it's really not beat up that bad. Let's look at this one. Yeah, this one looks not that bad either. I mean, I wouldn't want to shoot it again, but it's not that bad. Here we go.